So welcome again with a new vulnerable machines, and we exploit this machine. Here is the machine is the Thoth Tech. Here is the machine, and there is no description here. Only here is the screenshot is here. So let's we exploit this machine, and here is the virtual machine. Here is the virtual machine, which is we running the virtual machine on the virtual box, and we go to the Kali Linux for the exploiting this machine. So this machine IP address is 105 vulnerable machine IP address, and our Kali Linux IP address is as well as 103 is our Kali Linux IP address, and I scan the network of this machine with using the using his IP address, and here is the Nmap scan, which is the SV port and option and -pn option, which I use. And here is the 21 port is open, 22 port is open, port 80 is also open. So here is the port 20 and describe the anonymous login here, and login allowed. Okay. In the FTP, there is a one file is a not.txt. So we find this file and get this file into our directory, which is Linux, and SSH open and port 80 open. So first we go to the port 80 and finding some here. So what is running on the port 80? Closes the upshoot first. So there is no another load in the my Linux. So here is our IP address is 105.192. Okay, fine. Hit enter, and we trying to see what is running on the port 80. Taking some time here. Okay, so we first I have in a previous I have solved the machine, which is Death Knot. So here is the Death Knot host ID is here. So we first remove this host ID for our next IP address running. So here is not host ID. Save it, close it here, and then again the which is 192.168.5 here. Enter. Okay, so there is redirecting again and again on the is not 92.168.4, nothing 5 here. Enter. Okay, so close this here, and we're trying to FTP on this server. FTP in the 5 here. Hit enter. Connected. We are anonymous connected with this, and there is no password. So login successfully. We're trying to ls here. We have the not.txt. We get this file. We getting this file in our directory. Posit cat not.txt here, and here is the dear pound lab. So pound lab is our user, which is copy this user's name and paste it over here. And my name is Jack. My name is Jack, and your password is very weak and easily crackable. I think change your password. So here this file is says so says what Pound Lab has the weak password. So we cracking with our robot.txt with using a Hydra. So we trying to Hydra. Clear this and Hydra -L for our user is a Pound Lab. Okay, I type the same and same again. We have the password list, which is procure.txt / user share word list procure.txt here, and SSH on 105 is as well as hit enter. And Hydra was boot forcing and trying to get the password of VulnLab, so we can trying to the SSH on the vulnerable machine. So Hydra is working on the getting the password and trying to brute force on the SSH VulnLab. Port 22 here, you can see SSH port 22 is here. We can see here SSH host key is here, and port 80 has the HTTP server header and Apache here. So as I can guess, on the port 80 has the Apache default page is on the port 80. So we have the passwords, and baby girl is the password. This is the so weak password, and is available on the rocky.txt, is so much vulnerable. So now we're trying to the SSH on the SSH dash. First, we in the new versions we have a SSH keygen of our IP address. So trying this, and host update the host in the SSH. So next we have to do SSH on the our pawn lab is our user at the rate 192.168.0.105 is our vulnerable machine IP address. Hit enter, type yes here, and we have the password is a baby girl. So copy these passwords, paste it over here, hit enter, and now see what we have, the terminal of pound lab. So ls here, we have the cat user.txt, hit enter, we have the user.txt flag, and now we do the sudo -l for the, here is the user being find is here. So here is the find. We copy this and trying to go to the browser here, and go to the GTFO beans, which is a give the payload of directories and terminals. So waiting for the here. Okay, here is the GTFO beans. So go to here. This is a, you can save the websites in and bookmark these websites. Is a very useful website. So we type here find, and here is the there is a many functions is here. So we trying to we in the our terminal we have a sudo command. So type choosing the sudo. So here is the sudo command, which is we type this here, copy this here. So here what is thing, it is a binary allows to run the super user by sudo. It does not drop elevated privilege and may be used to access the file system, escalate or maintain the privilege escalates access. So we go back to our terminal and type this command payload here and hit enter. So what we see, who am I? and we are rooted. We are rooted. cd/root directory, go to the root. Okay, sorry, cd/root directory, ls here, and we have the root.txt, which is cat root.txt here, and we have the root flag and good job here. And this machine is much very easy for the pawning, uh, getting the root access of this terminal. And thanks for watching this video. You have to like this video and informative video, so like, share and subscribe this video. So we are back with the new machine and new day. So happy hacking, happy learning.